the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and the sour grapes. One day, a poor man brought a bunch of grapes to the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a gift. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, ate 1, 2, 3, and then the whole bunch of grapes by himself. He did not offer grapes to anyone present. The poor man who brought those grapes was very pleased and left. One of the companions asked, "O Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him, how come you ate all the grapes by yourself and did not offer to any one of us present?" The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, smiled and said, "I ate all the grapes by myself because the grapes were sour. If I would have offered you, you might have made funny faces, and that would have hurt the feelings of that poor man. I thought to myself that it's better that I eat all of them cheerfully and please the poor man. I did not want to hurt the feelings of that poor man." Such were the manners of this most noble Prophet of Allah.